We have this problem on arithmetic progression. It says we should find the sum of the first 20 terms of this sequence where we have -7, -3, and 1. Now, if you look at this sequence, this is an arithmetic sequence. My T1 is equals to -7, which is the same thing as my A, and my T2 is equals to -3. So that I know that my D, which is the difference, is equals to T2 minus T1. That will be the same thing as -3 minus -7. Obviously, this is the same thing as -3 plus 7, which is equals to 4. Now, if the difference is equals to 4, now the examiner wants me to find the sum of the first 20 terms. Now, a rough way of finding this is to sum up the 20th terms, but you don't need to do that. This is what you should use. Use this formula. Sn is equals to n all over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Obviously, I have about 3 or 4 terms here we need to define. My n will be equals to 20 because we're looking for the 20th time. My a will be the same thing as -7. My d, which is what we have calculated, is same thing as 4. So now we can calculate our 20th term, the sum of the 20th term. So that my S20 now will be the same thing as 20 over 2 into 2 into -7 plus 20 minus 1, that's 19. 19 times d, which is the difference, that's 4, and bracket close, which is equals to 20 divided by 2, that's 10, into 2 times 7 minus 14 plus 19 times 4. I have 19 times 4. It will be 6. That's 76. So here is 76. Now that's equals to 10 into minus 14 plus 76. That's 62. That's 62. So I'll be left with 10 times 62. That's 620. So that for this particular sequence, the sum of the first 20th terms will be 620. That's option E. With this, I hope you understood how I found the sum of the first 20th term. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.